Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng language sa ating Loklok app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Loklok application or yung ating Loklok account. Then mula dito sa pinakang homepage guys, itap lang natin yung me na nandito sa my lower right side. So tap lang natin. Then after yan guys, i-scroll up lang natin and hanapin nyo yung settings na nandito sa preferences. So tap lang natin yung settings. And then dito naman sa settings guys, makikita nyo na agad yung language dito sa pinakang ibabaw ng settings. So ang gagawin lang natin, tap natin yung language. And dito guys, pwede na kayong mamili kung ano ba yung language na gusto nyong mag-appear sa inyong Loklok application. So for example is Espanyol. Tap natin yung Espanyol. And kung makikita nyo guys, nagbago na yung kanyang language and naging Espanyol na siya. So tingnan natin dito. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng language sa ating Loklok app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.